back to my channel, or welcome to those maybe checking it out for the very first time. Today we're headed into Kroger and we are going to be saving roughly 89%. So come along with me and let's get to couponing. The first item we're picking up today is a can of the Skintimate shaving cream. Now this is normally $3.29, but it is on sale for $2.99. In the Kroger app, there is a 5-time digital coupon for $1 off on the Skintimate shaving cream. The 5-time digital coupon can be used up to 5 times in a single transaction. We're going to go ahead and clip that store digital coupon, which is going to knock the price of this down to $1.99. But since this is a store digital coupon, we can also use a manufacturer's coupon on top of that as well. In the Smart Source 515 inserts, we got a $1 off one manufacturer's coupon that we're going to use, and that's going to leave us to pay 99 cents out of pocket for one can. I'm then going to take my receipt and submit it to Ibotta, as Ibotta is giving back $1 per can. So once I get that $1 back, that is going to make this can of Skintimate shaving cream completely free. While I'm picking up a can of Skintimate shaving cream, I'm also going to pick up 1 pack of Skintimate disposable razors. You want to look for the razors priced at $7.49. Grab that specific one. Do not grab the ones that are on sale for $5.99. So I'm grabbing the pack that's $7.49, and much like the shaving cream, we have a 5-time digital coupon in the Kroger app for $3 off. We also have a $4 off one manufacturer's coupon that was in the 515 Smart Source inserts that I'm going to use on the razors as well. Once both the $3 off digital store coupon and the $4 off one paper manufacturer's coupons apply, I will be left to pay just 49 cents out of pocket for 1 pack of the Skintimate disposable razors. Next is a super easy deal that anyone can do. Over in the face care section, you want to look for this Neutrogena transparent facial bar that is priced at $2.79. If you scan the barcode on the back of the product in the Kroger app, it'll attach to a $2 off one digital coupon. Go ahead and clip that digital coupon, and once you enter your phone number at checkout, that $2 digital will apply, leaving you to pay just 79 cents out of pocket for this. We have yet again another victim to inflation. If you guys remember 2 weeks ago, we bought this exact Advil right here, and it was priced at $4.29. Today, I walked in, and they are now priced at $4.59. I'm going to go ahead and pick one box up at $4.59 and use the $1 off one manufacturer's coupon that we got in the 515 save inserts. That's going to leave me to pay $3.59 out of pocket once that coupon applies at checkout. I'm then going to take my receipt and submit it to Shopkick, where I'm going to get back 850 kicks, plus I'm going to get an additional 10 kicks for scanning the product in store, so a total of 860 kicks. 860 kicks is equivalent to $3.44. So once I get that cash back, my final net total for 1 pack of this is just going to be 15 cents. We have 4 awesome deals this week on cheap laundry care products. For the first one, we're going to pick up 1 pack of these all free and clear packs. They are on sale for $3.99. They are normally $5.29. There is a 5-time digital coupon in the Kroger app that's going to take off $1.50. In the Save 522 inserts, we also have a $2 off one manufacturer's coupon that we're going to use on this product as well. Once the store digital coupon as well as the manufacturer's coupon apply, you'll be left to pay just 49 cents for 1 pack. Next, I'm grabbing 1 all liquid detergent. These are normally $5.29, but just like the packs, they are on sale for $3.99. There is also a $1.50 off 5 times digital coupon in the Kroger app that I'm going to go ahead and clip. In the 522 save inserts, we have a $1.50 off one any all product manufacturer's coupon that's going to apply on this as well. Our final net total for the liquid all detergent is going to be just 99 cents after both coupons are applied. Moving down the aisle, I'm going to pick up 1 bag of the Snuggle scent boosters. These are $3.79 each. There is a 5-time digital coupon in the Kroger app for $1.50 off that you want to go ahead and clip. You also want to clip the $2 off one manufacturer's coupon that can be found in the 5-2 save inserts. After the digital store coupon applies, as well as the manufacturer's coupon, you will be left to pay just 29 cents out of pocket for 1 pack of the scent boosters. For our last laundry deal, you want to pick up any Snuggle product priced at $3.79. You could grab the dryer sheets or you could grab the liquid fabric softener. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's $3.79. There is a 5-time digital coupon that you want to clip in the Kroger app for $1.50 off. Finally, clip the $1.50 off one manufacturer's coupon for any Snuggle product found in the 522 save inserts. After both $1.50 coupons apply, you'll be left to pay just 79 cents out of pocket for a Snuggle product. So I wasn't able to do this next deal as my store does not carry this product, but today in the Kroger app, we got a new freebie. The freebie is for the Oikos Pro yogurt, but as I mentioned, my store does not carry it. I don't know if it has just been my local Kroger's, but they love to promote items that they do not carry. Like, take a look at this. They have a whole banner for this Oikos Pro yogurt that they do not have in stock. It makes absolutely no sense to me, but maybe they're getting it very soon, but it is very frustrating that they do this. Last up, over in the refrigerated section, you want to look for this Florida's Natural Lemonade that is priced at $2.69. You're going to pay the $2.69 out of pocket, but then you're going to take your receipt and submit it to coupons.com, where coupons.com is going to give you $1 back. You're also going to submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you're going to get back a total of 270 kicks for purchasing the product as well as scanning the product in store. 270 kicks is equivalent to $1.08. So once you get that $1.08 back from Shopkick, as well as the $1 back from coupons.com, your final net total for this thing of Florida's Natural Lemonade is going to be just 61 cents. All right, y'all, let's recap this haul. I have everything on one receipt for us today. Starting at the top, we have the Skintimate Shave Gel, which was $2.99, but you can see the e-coupon applied, making it $1.99. And then down below, I believe it was the first scan coupon for $1. That was for that shave gel, which left me to pay just 99 cents out of pocket. Next, we have the Skintimate disposable razors. Those came out to $4.49 after the $3 e-coupon applied, but then I had that $4 paper coupon, making those just 49 cents. Next, we had the Snuggle products. I bought the dryer sheets and the scent boosters. Those both came out to $2.29 after the digital coupon for $1.50 applied. And then I also had the $1.50 off paper coupon for the sheets. And then we had the $2 paper coupon for the scent boosters. Following the Snuggle, we had the All products. Those were $2.49 after both digital coupons came off on those for $1.50. Then we had the $1.50 paper coupon for the Liquid All and then the $2 paper coupon for the packs. So that made one 99 cents and one 49 cents. For our last three items, we had the Advil that was $4.59 and I used a $1 paper coupon that did scan, no problem. Then we had the Neutrogena face bar that was originally $2.79 and you can see the e-coupon came off, making that just 79 cents. And then we paid for the lemonade. That is full price out of pocket at $2.69. My total out of pocket before tax was $11.11, but then I took my receipt and submitted it to Ibotta, where I got back a total of $1.10. I got back $1 for the Skintimate shave gel, and then I also had an any receipt offer for 10 cents. I then uploaded my receipt to coupons.com for that $1 back on the lemonade. And then I also submitted my receipt to Shopkick for the Advil as well as the lemonade. And both my receipts are processing for Shopkick and coupons.com. I should be credited for those within the next couple of days. One last overview look of the entire transaction. Our retail value of everything was $39.01, but after store savings, our total dropped down to $36.11. We used a total of $25 in coupons, which left us to pay out of pocket $11.11. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $1.10 back, to Shopkick for $4.52, and to coupons.com for $1, making my final net total for everything $4.49. So with the $4.49 final net total, that's like paying full price just for the Advil and getting everything else free, which I think is awesome. That's going to wrap up this week's Kroger haul. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you are not yet currently signed up for Ibotta or Shopkick, I have links down in the description below where you can sign up. And when you sign up for one or both of those apps, you will unlock a welcome bonus. Be sure to also give this video a thumbs up before you go, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.